Factors influencing development. Development is a lifelong process influenced by various factors. Changes in development occur due to biological, psychological, social, and emotional factors. 1. Biological factors. These include inherited traits, growth and maturation, functioning of glands, nervous system development, disabilities and diseases. 2. Psychological factors. Intelligence and aptitude, interests and needs, emotional adjustments, mental stress, insecurity, and inferiority complex. Psychological disorders and tendencies. 3. Social factors. Influence of family, school, and community. Impact of societal traditions, sects, and religion. Cultural and racial background. 4. Emotional factors. Various emotions like excitement, happiness, delight, disgust, anger, surprise, and pity influence development. Emotional stability is shaped by a combination of heredity and environment. Skills such as creativity, artistic talent, and intelligence are influenced by both genetic and environmental factors. Heredity and environment. 1. Heredity. Heredity refers to the transmission of physical and mental traits from ancestors to offspring. It plays a crucial role in defining characteristics like height, weight, skin color, hair texture, and body structure. According to Douglas and Holland, heredity consists of inherited physical traits and mental abilities from parents and ancestors. This is why siblings and family members often share similar characteristics. Stages of growth and development. 1. Fertilization, sperm plus ovum, right-pointing arrow zygote. 2. Embryo right-pointing arrow fetus. 3. Infancy right-pointing arrow childhood. 4. Teenage, adolescence, right-pointing arrow adulthood, middle age. 5. Old age, senescence. 2. Environment. While heredity provides the foundation, the environment shapes an individual's development. It includes factors like family upbringing, social interactions, education, and cultural exposure. Hereditary material and genetics. The genetic code is responsible for passing hereditary traits from one generation to another. It is stored in chromosomes and genes, which contain DNA and RNA. Chromosomes. Tiny structures in cells that carry genetic material. Humans have 23 pairs, 46 total chromosomes. 22 pairs of autosomes determine body features like height, complexion, and eye color. 1 pair of allosomes, sex chromosomes, determines gender. XX equals female, XY equals male. Genes and heredity. Each chromosome contains thousands of genes that control hereditary traits. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, discovered by James Watson and Francis Crick, it carries genetic information and has a double helix structure. RNA, ribonucleic acid, first genetic material, discovered by Friedrich Mieske, helps in transmitting hereditary traits. Generational contribution of heredity. Generation. Genetic contribution. Parents. 1/2. Grandparents. 1/4. Great-grandparents. 1/8. Ancestors. 1/16. From species. 1/32. This explains why some traits are inherited from distant ancestors while others come directly from parents. Twins and heredity. Sometimes, a woman gives birth to more than one baby at a time. There are two types of twins. 1. Identical twins, monozygotic twins, formed from one zygote that splits into two embryos. Have identical genes, same sex, and similar physical traits. Example: famous identical twin athletes or actors. 2. Non-identical twins, dizygotic or fraternal twins, formed from two different eggs fertilized by two separate sperm cells. May have different genders and different appearances. Example: twin siblings who look different from each other. Fun fact: in rare cases, conjoined twins, Siamese or Wiener Wani, are born physically attached. Principles of heredity. The foundation of heredity was first explained by Gregor Mendel, known as the father of genetics. His experiments on pea plants helped establish the principles of genetic inheritance. Key aspects determined during fertilization. 1. Genetic characteristics, physical traits and health conditions. 2. Sex determination, male or female depends on the father's sperm. 3. Number of children, controlled by biological and environmental factors. 4. Birth order impact, personality traits influenced by sibling position. Summary: heredity and environment together influence human development. While genetic traits provide a base, external factors like family, culture, and education shape an individual's personality, intelligence, and abilities. This knowledge is crucial for understanding human behavior, child development, and educational psychology. Multiple choice questions, MCQs. 1. Factors influencing development. 1. Which of the following is not a biological factor affecting development? A. Inherited traits. B. Intelligence and aptitude. C. Nervous system development. D. Functioning of glands. Correct answer: B. Intelligence and aptitude. 2. Which of these psychological factors impact human development? A. Emotional adjustment. 3. B. Growth and maturation. C. Cultural traditions. D. Family income. Correct answer: A. Emotional adjustment. 4. What is a key social factor influencing development? A. Intelligence level. B. Genetic disorders. C. Impact of family, school, and community. D. Hormonal changes. Correct answer: C. Impact of family, school, and community. 5. Which of the following emotional factors does not influence development? A. Happiness. B. Body structure. C. Excitement. D. Anger. Correct answer. B. Body structure. 2. Heredity and environment. 5. Heredity is the transmission of traits from a. Friends to friends. B. Teachers to students. C. Parents to offspring. D. Society to individuals. Correct answer. C. Parents to offspring. 6. According to Douglas in Holland, heredity consists of a. Environmental changes. B. Mental abilities and physical traits inherited from parents. C. Cultural beliefs and traditions. D. Nutritional intake. Correct answer. B. Mental abilities and physical traits inherited from parents. 7. Which of the following is not an environmental factor affecting development? A. Family upbringing. B. Peer influence. C. Genetic disorders. D. Educational exposure. Correct answer. C. Genetic disorders. 8. What stage comes after the embryonic stage in human growth? A. Zygote. B. Fetus. C. Infancy. D. Childhood. Correct answer. B. Fetus. 3. Hereditary material and genetics. 9. What is the primary function of chromosomes? A. Control blood circulation. B. Store and transfer genetic information. C. Produce energy for cells. D. Regulate body temperature. Correct answer. B. Store and transfer genetic information. 10. How many pairs of chromosomes does a normal human have? A. 10. B. 20. C. 23. D. 46. Correct answer. C. 23. 11. Which type of chromosome determines the sex of an individual? A. Autosomes. B. Mitochondrial DNA. C. Ribosomes. D. Allosomes, sex chromosomes. Correct answer. D. Allosomes, sex chromosomes. 12. What is the correct genetic composition for a female? A. XYB, XXC, YYD, XO. Correct answer. B. XX. 13. Who discovered the structure of DNA? A. Gregor Mendel. B. Charles Darwin. C. James Watson and Francis Crick. D. Jean Piaget. Correct answer. C. James Watson and Francis Crick. 14. Which of the following carries hereditary information? A. Enzymes. B. Hormones. C. DNA. D. Vitamins. Correct answer. C. DNA. 15. What is the function of RNA in heredity? A. Provides energy to cells. B. Acts as the first genetic material and helps in protein synthesis. C. Regulates body temperature. D. Controls emotions. Correct answer. B. Acts as the first genetic material and helps in protein synthesis. 4. Twins and heredity. 16. Identical twins are also known as a. Monozygotic twins. B. Dizygotic twins. C. Conjoined twins. D. Fraternal twins. Correct answer. A. Monozygotic twins. 17. How are non-identical, fraternal, twins formed? A. From a single zygote that splits into two. B. From two different eggs fertilized by two different sperm cells. C. Due to environmental influences. D. through genetic mutations. Correct answer. B. From two different eggs fertilized by two different sperm cells. 18. Which of the following statements is true about identical twins? A. They are always of the same gender. B. They inherit different genetic traits. C. They are formed from two separate zygotes. D. They look completely different from each other. Correct answer. A. They are always of the same gender. 5. Principles of heredity. 19. Who is known as the father of genetics? A. Charles Darwin. B. Gregor Mendel. C. Jean Piaget. D. Aristotle. Correct answer. B. Gregor Mendel. 20. Which of the following is determined at fertilization? A. Intelligence level. B. Environmental adaptation. C. Genetic characteristics in sex of the baby. D. Personal interests. Correct answer. C. Genetic characteristics in sex of the baby. 21. Who determines the sex of a baby in humans? A. The mother. B. The father. C. Environmental conditions. D. The child's diet. Correct answer. B. The father. 22. What percentage of genetic material is inherited from grandparents? A. 1/2. B. 1/4. C. 1/8. D. 1/16. Correct answer. B. 1/4. 23. What is the probability of inheriting characteristics from ancestors, great-grandparents and beyond? A. 1/4. B. 1/8. C. 1/16. D. 1/32. Correct answer. D. 1/32.